Uh-oh. What happened?
Isaac must have done it.
Isaac must have done it. No. Let's see. Who's in there?
Me!
Logan. Who else is in there?
Isaac.
Where did you go? I can't see you. Yes, now I see you. And what about you? Are you causing trouble? Do we need to rebuild now?
No, we don't. It's built together.
Oh, okay.
Maybe.
If you say so. Oh boy.
Oh no, boy.
Isaac, what are you doing? That's not very helpful. That's not very helpful. It's the destroyer. That's okay. We can always fix it.
Logan, we have to fix it now. Yeah! We have to fix it now. Please?
Okay.
Daddy's
Who's in there?
Daddy's soft skin.
I don't know.
Oh!
Who's in there?
Isaac from Kazi.
No, I'm taking a video. Back up. What happened?
Isaac got one of the walls up, and I got back up.
Oh, Isaac, Isaac, over here. Over here. Come over here. Look, there's the entrance right there. Isaac, look. Where are you going?
Isaac, here's the entrance to where my foot is.
Okay, well.
Kazi?
No, Logan, it's a video. Okay, it's not a picture. You want to go in? Okay, you got to get down, buddy. If you're going to go in, you have to crawl in, okay? On your hands and feet.
He's looking at something. What's he looking at? He's looking at some power-wheeled sunflower seeds. Can Baba look at it? Oh, I see something over there.